I'm really tired, especially last couple of days. I've been working so hard, without sleeping even. Really tired. I'm literally waiting for someone and someone and few more someones that possibly gonna have a
Nothing recording?
It is recording. Oh yeah. Yeah, he likes your legs. Thank you. Come on, have a look.
What's going on, Jace? The electric crew representing tonight.
That's it, man. That's it. You got me hitting.
All right.
Already. Oh.
We're ready.
That's it.
Whoa.
What you got?
Oh yeah, Land Cruiser Hilux. That's why I'm at the back.
brother from the same mother.
Yeah, yes, that's right. Same, but different, yeah.
But your one is more taller than my one.
Just for now. Just for now. Yours will grow.
Are we there yet?
I'm listening.
It's on. It's beautiful, mate. It's still alive, yeah. Oh my god!
Look at this. Teppanyaki prawn tonight. Yeah? Yeah.
Probably could have put butter on it as the
Master Chef in action. Best food for best buddies. Ah, yes.
butter, yeah.
Look how quick he chops this thing. And a remote location in New Zealand. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna go with that. Look at the precision in that. I'm gonna show you guys the rest.
There's a couple of aluminium trays. So
Look at this. Oh, look at that.
oh, they're over there.
Shrimp in the barbie.
Throw a shrimp in the bar.
Shrimp in the barbie. Look at the cars over there.
What else you want? What else you want?
I think we got everything here.
Yes,
We got a teppanyaki chef.
that's it. We got a good plumber. Two good plumbers.
Plumber. Yeah. We got the best electricians there. For the first time in my life, I've seen plumbers and electricians get along.
And best parking member.
He's talking about you, Angelo and Dan. That's awesome. Look at that. I'm gonna end the video here.
Yes.
I love it.
Mr. Akila.
That thing recording?
You cheat your pants.
Louis
One for
Vuitton.
Rex,
Louis
one
Vuitton
for Daniel, one for Liam, whatever his name, Liam.
I can't imagine Liam with a wombat.
No, I cannot. It'd be hilarious. It'll look like a little purse. Me, Chris, we're just standing back with the phones, putting on Snapchat, laughing our heads off.
Louis fucking Sparky.
Have a look at that! Yeah, we're gonna stay here, open your mouth. Might be like this. I hope that's enough heat there, that's what I'm worried about.
Yeah.
Oh, there'll be plenty of heat for sure.
Oh, I don't know, I think one side is there, the back side. But anyway, we'll flip them
We can
around.
push that log further that way.
Oh, don't move it now. Oh my god, look at the food, man.
the seasoning.
This is like going to a restaurant, fucking.
Oh my god, that's $500 there.
We're fucking the camera boys!
He's got the soul.
Hey, do the fucking, hey, do the.
That's it! Oh, that's like now that was good.
Mr. Aquila. We're having the best, yeah?
I love it.
Throw one in.
That is amazing.
I saw hey, Jay, we have to do one, yeah, when it's full. Just one bit for stuff. Just you, that's the good recording.
Yeah, but don't drop it on the floor because I'll pick it up in the mud.
Don't worry, I'll be back up on the floor. I'll be on the floor, ready to catch.
This one? Yeah, another one. I'll this one here. I'll leave it there. Not too much of that's like when you cook Thank you, mate. Oh my god. Lady.
It's hard without oil.
Yeah, of course, man. There's nothing there.
With butter.
Oh, I'll smell that. That's amazing.
Uncle Tyrone, here's the tongs.
So you used to do to me, you
That thing recording?
Oh!